Proper car routine maintenance is very vital to avoid major repair bills and keep your vehicle running smoothly, adequately for many years. Whether or not you do the work yourself or you hire a trained mechanic, our advice and tools will go a long way to ensure that you save time and money along the way. And that's the reason why we would be talking to the professional, the guru himself, Engineer Patrick Okunwede, who will be giving us tips on how to maintain your vehicle. I'm your safety ambassador, Ono Sepia. Don't touch that dial. We'll be right back and Engineer Patrick will join us. Hello viewers, you're still watching Auto Guide on Auto Expert, and like I mentioned earlier on, Engineer Patrick Okunwede is going to be giving us some more tips on how to maintain our vehicle. Let's get to meet Engineer Patrick. Good afternoon, sir. How are you today,
Very
sir?
fine, very
So
well.
apparently we've learned a lot from you on Auto Guide on Auto Expert.
Absolutely.
What are you going to be teaching us today?
Today we are going to talk about carbon in your engine. 90% or 99% of every car in Nigeria has carbon issues.
Okay.
Misfiring, cylinders fouling, everything is because of the fuel. The fuel for this BMW does not exist. BMW uses premium unleaded fuel.
Well, and that kind of fuel does not exist in
It
Nigeria.
does not. We are using regular unleaded.
Regular oriented. Okay.
So because of that, you get misfirings, engine misfiring, BM, Range Rover, all of, even as common as Toyota and Honda, they all misfire because the fuel is not available. So what do? Most people will now take out the cylinder, open it, and go and grind and surface the valves and all those stuff. But we now discovered there are better ways to resolve this issue. This car now is undergoing a carbon cleaning, dedicated carbon cleaning for 1 hour. It will dissolve all the carbon in the engine. By the time we are through, the engine will be like brand new. It renews the engine 95%. But everything is based on which oil are you using. The oil still stands. Are you using the right oil? This car has not been using the right oil. It has not been using the right fuel. So the two things are inhibiting the smooth performance. The car is sluggish, very, very sluggish. But in the meantime, it's not going to continue with anyhow oil. We have made the owner to realize he must follow the manufacturer's specification. He has to use that oil, and then he has to now find a way of boosting his fuel. But this correction is not going to make his engine become brand new. At the time he's driving it, he will think he just bought a brand new engine. And that is why we want everybody to take advantage of carbon cleaning. You see your engine sluggish. It's not moving the way it's supposed to move. Carbon cleaning is the answer. Once you do it, it's a 1 hour exercise. Once it's done, you have a brand new engine. It's guaranteed. The car that used to consume, it will save you a lot of fuel because right now you are wasting fuel. We are complaining fuel is 145. Coupled with the traffic, you have the means to reduce it. So you need to now take advantage of carbon cleaning to clean your engine and make it 95% brand new. That is what we just brought down to in Lagos now. This is the first in Lagos, or rather first in Nigeria. Everybody, they are taking advantage. We just cleaned this car as old as it is. The car is now looking brand new. This one is going to collect the same treatment and makes it unique. You don't need to open your engine because most times when they open the engine, they cannot reset the timing and then you have a failed engine. So this is the only opportunity you have. Your air filter must also be clean. Those roadside that does your air filter for you, they are not saving you money, they are wasting your money because it's the air and fuel that causes combustion. And if the air and fuel is dirty, then you are in for a big ride. That's why you say, cars don't last in Nigeria. They last, they do, but we are the ones that are not taking care of them. So take advantage. We are here. You can get the numbers on the screen. You call or send WhatsApp also on the numbers. Bring your vehicle for one of the best things that has happened in Nigeria, carbon cleaning. If you Google it, you will see that your vehicle requires, even in America and Europe, they use carbon cleaning too. Talk less of where we don't have the good fuel, where we don't have good oil. We use anyhow oil, even oil that are not suitable for our cars. They do a lot of damages on our engines. Conjunction with Auto Watch and Auto Expert, although Auto Expert made us to get it, we've had it now, and they are desirous of us putting it to use and making sure everybody put their car on the road, because safety is the first thing. Put your car in order. The first thing to do is to come and clean carbon deposit in your engine. And once it's done, it's a guarantee, 90% guarantee that your fuel consumption, before you say A, your car is going B already. Your fuel consumption will reduce and your engine will be happy. The right way to do is use the right oil, change your air filter, and then come for carbon cleaning. The air filter, it has to be changed every 6 months. If you are using synthetic, every 6 months when you are changing your oil, you change your air filter. Most people will just dust it and put it back, say it's still clean. The car senses the air coming into the engine, and then if it's not accurate, it will read upside down. And so the air filter is number one thing you have to make sure it's always clean. With the carbon cleaning, you are in for a good ride. Anytime, anywhere, you are in for a good ride. Everything inside is renewed, brand new. You can Google it, how it is done. It turns the cylinder head, the valves, everything. It cleans everything as we speak. And then you have a perfect car.
Thank you very much, Engineer Patrick. That was a very, very wonderful work. I mean, we've actually learned a lot today. And like Engineer Patrick has actually said, always bring your car to the Auto Expert workshop and ensure that you actually have, the carbon worked on, so that you can actually filter that, and also with your air filter. These are things you should not just do at the comfort of your house. Bring them to a specialist, a mechanic who actually has the technical know-how on how to do these things. This is the Auto Expert Workshop, where a lot of work is being done on different vehicles. And people are actually keeping their car up to date. And like what Engineer Patrick said, if you clean your air filter and also use the carbon device to clean the carbon from your vehicle, you'd actually find that you'll be consuming less fuel in your vehicle, unlike you buying a regular, maybe like a full tank, and ending up using it for maybe 2 days, when a full tank can actually last you for a week. So these are things that people should be mindful of. I mean, you know what they say, money in the pocket, money in the head, money in the head. Keep it safe. Okay, now we wrap it up on this segment of Auto Guide. Engineer Patrick is the anchor of the program Auto Watch, airing on Radio 1, 103.5 FM every Tuesdays by 3 p.m. And on that program, I mean, it gets to say a lot of things regarding how you can maintain your car. And callers, people actually call in to get feedback as to regard whatever it is they've discussed before. So it simply means that Auto Watch and Auto Expert are actually for the people, working for the people. Auto Expert is your guide to safety. I still remain your safety ambassador, Ono Sefia. Enjoy the rest of the program.